Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie from Toy Story in Draw Super Impress. So I'm just going to remove everything I didn't use accessory adjustments on. So for this ponytail, I colored it in this blonde, no adjustments, and then I selected these bangs in the same blonde. Then I used this hair in the back toggle with no flowers, positioned it at 0.78. Rotated it at x.52 and scaled it to the same scale, I guess. Then I used this hair in all blonde too. Positioned it at y.61, z.7, x at 0.29 for the rotation, and then scaled it down to 0.32. Then for the scrunchie, I don't know, positioned it at y.76, z.74. Rotated it at x.2 and scaled it to 0. Well, 0. Where is it? Well, I guess it's 0. Okay, I was in the dressing room, so that's why it's like all over the place now. But it was at 0.01. And then use this belt from the cowboy set. Colored it this color in silk, and then I didn't really color the white part of the belt, silver part. Adjusted it at y.7, z.46, scaled it down to 0.19. Now for the outfit, I use this, okay, don't mind the back, but use this color 36C6AA in silk. I'm sorry. And then I use the leggings and the third toggle in the same color in silk as well. And then for the shoes, I use these shoes in this pink. You can use this pink too, I guess, but I use DF6A7E. And then for the leg warmers, I obviously used the one in codes. This one in this pattern, this rainbowish pattern. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.